Everyone. So today's meal is going to be baked lentil casserole with tofu. So in your meal boxes, you should have red lentils, tofu, shredded cheese, onions, tomatoes, and seasonal veggies. Red lentils are a good plant-based source of protein. They also contain B vitamins, which are great for metabolism and energy. Red lentils also contain quite a bit of fiber, which is good for digestion, regular bowel movements, and keeping you full for longer. Tofu is also a good source of plant-based protein. It contains many micronutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are great for bone health, maintaining a healthy blood pressure, and muscle function. Shredded cheese is a good source of protein, as cheese is a complete protein source. Protein is important for building muscle, muscle repair, and maintaining muscle mass. It also contains vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B12, and zinc, which are good for immune support, energy, metabolism, and skin and bone health. Onions are rich in antioxidants, which is good for reducing inflammation. There are also certain compounds in onions that may help in blood sugar regulation. They have some immune support benefits through natural antibacterial effects. Onions also have prebiotics, which aid in digestion by supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Then tomatoes contain antioxidants, which are good for, again, reducing inflammation and possibly reducing blood pressure as well. They also contain various vitamins and nutrients, such as vitamin A and lutein, that support eye health and reduce age-related eye degeneration. And then seasonal veggies are great sources of vitamins and fiber. Fiber is important for healthy digestion, and vitamins help to support immune health, eye health, skin health, and other vital functions of the body. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy your meal.